of the most frustrating things of traveling with a travel trailer is trying to get to something in the bed of your truck, especially when your travel trailer is attached to your truck. So when we carry our Airstream Globetrotter, I constantly am needing to get into the back of my bed, whether it's to get our water hoses, whether it's to get our electric cable, or just our tool bag. I have to reach inside. So I have been looking for the perfect solution for a slide out. Now there are tons of great options out there, one of them being an expensive, kind of a permanently installed bed slide that is a great product, really well made. However, if you ever want to take that out, it is a bit of a hassle. So I wanted something that was temporary, something easy to install, and something that would just work. And that's where I came across the Truck Trolley guys when I was at SEMA in Las Vegas last November. Now this seems to be a fantastic solution, so I wanted to give it a try. They sent me this review unit, which again, they gave me totally free. I did not purchase this, but I really wanted to try it, and I do think it's going to be a winner. Getting into the unboxing, the first thing I noticed is this thing is really solid in spite of it being lightweight. In fact, it's so lightweight that one person can easily take this in and out of the truck. Again, this isn't a permanent install and super easy to put in and out of your truck. Everything was packaged well and it all felt pretty straightforward right out of the box. Moving on to installation, it was honestly easier than I expected. There's no crazy modifications required. It mounts directly into your truck bed and you don't need anything, not even any tools. You just attach the straps into the mounting points in your truck and then to the truck trolley itself. Now there are several adjustments that you can make that will determine just how far in or out that the slide will come out. Obviously there's some safety issues there, so you want to make sure you use those safety straps in order to make sure it doesn't slide all the way out if you open your truck bed. Now in practice, it does exactly what you want. You load your gear in, you slide it back in, and you shut your truck bed. No climbing, no reaching, nor rearranging everything. It completely changes how you use your truck bed when this is installed. It makes it feel more organized, more accessible, and honestly just more practical day to day. Now then, they do make some extra accessories. It's simple, it's functional, and it solves the problem that I had anyway, and I think it'll solve your problem as well. And if you want to check it out, I have a link below. Also, there is a discount code attached on the website, and so you can save a little bit of money with it. But overall, the Truck Trolley is something that I highly recommend. If you're an RVer and you want to see every upgrade that I've done to my Airstream, including our massive 960 amp hour lithium battery setup, as well as my truck turning into a massive generator with up to 150 amps of charging power driving down the road, make sure you check out pagosasupply.co. We are also authorized Lithionics lithium battery dealers, Epic battery dealers, as well as custom installs. I also have a curated list of everything that we carry in our Airstream, including all the essentials, as well as a few luxuries. Now then, jump over to pagosasupply.co. Make sure you like and subscribe if you like these type of videos, and we will see you in the next one.